Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. In this video, I'm going to talk about some English speaking applications which you can install in your phone, in your laptop, iPad, tablet, and you can speak, read, write and listen, and you can improve in your English in all the ways. These apps are really efficient. I've used them personally and now I'm here to review in front of you. So let's start today's video. If you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing, press the bell icon, and if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for watching. I hope you will find this video useful. So let's start today's video. The first app is OpenTalk application. This application is free. All the applications which I'm going to talk about today are free of cost. You don't have to pay anything, no registration fees, nothing. So the first application, all the applications which I'm going to discuss today are free of cost. You don't have to pay anything for them. All you can install, don't have to register your credit card, no details, nothing. So let's start. The first app is the OpenTalk app. This is a chat application. What you can do, you can install, by that you can start practicing your writing skills, plus you will have a chance to conversate with the native speakers. In that application, you can when you will register with your name, so they will ask your interest. You can talk with people with same interest. Maybe you like science and fiction, as like you're a science teacher like me. So what you can do, you can talk about science, research, scientific skills and all other. If you really want to conversate with a native speaker, that also availability is there. You need to select the country and you can talk easily, talk to people who are native speakers, and you can you can say familiarize yourself with the words they use in their day-to-day life. So I really find this app useful, especially for the teenage students who have free time, and instead of using the free time with other things, you can use it for learning. The second application is a cake app. This is personally my favorite application. In this application, you will get bunch of videos. For example, all the videos which are available on YouTube and any other platform, all are available in Cake. Now when you are scrolling, you will find YouTube videos only related to English learning, maybe grammatical related, all the topics related to English teaching. So whatever you will find on the content in these videos are related to English. So this is a wonderful app. You don't have to search, you don't have to go to the YouTube and any other platform, Twitter or maybe any social media platform to search for the English speaking and writing and reading videos. You will get all the bunch together in the Cake application. Third application is the English conversation application. For that I made a separate video. If you want to see, this is a wonderful app. I have explained all the features in this video. So you go pause this video, go and check this video up there, and then continue again from this application. This application is a wonderful application. You can practice your reading, and especially it is useful for the speaking. In that you can record yourself. You can see the recorded conversation already present in the application. You listen to them and try to copy them, then you record yourself and then listen to it. So it's a wonderful application with many topics according to your interest, and it worked really when I was trying to improve my English. Even nowadays, whenever I'm free, I just sit with that and try to improve myself. Fourth application is the Cambly application. Yes, this is a unique application where you will get a chance to video call with the native speakers. There many people are available, especially tutors are also available, and many other people who are there just to conversate, just to do some basic conversation, just want to know the world, and you will get a chance. You sit in front of the camera and you can see the person with the expression, how they are talking, how they are using the word, the vocabulary in their normal conversation. So this is a wonderful app. If you are comfortable using the camera, if you are comfortable using your face, so you can use it easily to improve your English. This is the app where you will hire any tutor, and you can pay to that person, and that person will be available in that particular slot for you. Many professional tutors are available which are native speakers and which really help you to improve your English to a next level. Next application is Grammarly application. This application, you want to improve your English or no, you must have to install in your phone as well as in your laptop. See, when we are writing something, you are writing a letter, you are talking to someone, sometimes you really misspell some words, and Grammarly is the application. As soon as you start writing, it will show error, where is the grammatical mistake, where is the spelling mistake, and it will guide you to correct your sentence, and it will guide you where are the mistakes in your grammar. So Grammarly free version is also available as well as a paid version. For me, Grammarly free version is working perfectly fine. So if you use the basic free version, that also will serve the purpose, and if you really want to learn with the help of that, you can go for the paid version as well. Next application is a Hellotalk application. This is also a chat application where your country people, your interest people and the native speakers are also available. This is basically to chat with someone when you are freely, when you are traveling and you really want to have a conversation with people. You can just log in and you start. You don't have to share your details, your age, your area, like the place you are living, your name, no, nothing you need to disclose. You just enroll as anonymous, and you can put any of your name, no detail it's asking, no email ID. You just register yourself as a random person and show your interest, choose your interest, male, female, topic, interest, place, and then just start chatting with them. So it's a wonderful app if you're really into, you're traveling so much for 2 or 3 hours, you're going to your place, so that time you really use this application and can have a benefit from it. Next application is the Envato application. This is the application similar to Cambly, where the native speaker tutors are available. First you can have a demo lesson with them, and then you can hire them if you will feel comfortable with them. Both the type of calls are available, video calls as well as audio calls. This application you can use if you are really good in English and you want to earn from it. That time you can use it. You can teach someone the good English and vice versa. If you want to learn, you can hire a tutor. See, I'm telling you, these applications, when I'm saying video call, audio call, the one thing which come in our mind is these applications, are they really safe to use? Is it really fine to conversate with the people by sharing our details, our email IDs or other details? Yes, these are the tutors who are officially registered with the website and the website is paying to them. So all the details about the tutor is with the website. And if you feel anything some unsafe activity, then you can block them. You can complain about them to the website. Really do research and hire these people with all the confidential details. They check all the details about them, their background, their document, then only they hire them, and they start paying to them by making you conversate with them. I never seen such complaints about these websites. These are safe to use, and I think you can go and just try to share minimal information of yours on these websites. Don't share any personal detail which will harm you in future. If you will use these websites with a little consciousness, I think these are the excellent learning platforms which are free of cost available to you. I hope you like the video. If you like the video for whatsoever reason, give me a thumbs up, write down the comment your feedback and subscribe to the channel. On this note, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Keep growing in your career. Keep improving your English. Thank you. Bye-bye.